Hello, this is a short video with little hints and tips that can help you when working on a computer. I'll start by showing some shortcuts that will help complete your day-to-day tasks much faster. The most useful shortcuts are to do with copying and pasting text. First, highlight the text that you need to copy, and then press Ctrl+C buttons. Make sure that Ctrl button is not released until C button is clicked. It is better to first click Ctrl and then C rather than try to press them at the same time. Then click on the space where you want the text to be copied and click Ctrl+V. If you want to remove the text from one location and paste it into a new one, you can use Ctrl and X keys. First, highlight the text, press Ctrl+X, and as you can see it removes the text. Then click where you want the text to appear and click Ctrl+V, which will paste the text in that place. If you have a lot of text, you can highlight it all by clicking Ctrl+A. And if you only need to highlight one word in the text, you can do it by double clicking on it rather than having to drag the cursor left to right and so on. When text is highlighted, you don't necessarily need to delete it. You can just start typing over it, which will replace the word automatically. To quickly edit text in a Word document, use Ctrl+B to make the text go bold. Ctrl+U will underline this text, and Ctrl+I will italicize the text. A couple other useful buttons when working on documents are Home and End buttons, which are normally located between your letters and numbers section on the keyboard. Home button sends you to the beginning of the line you're currently on, while the End button sends you to the end of it. However, if you click Control and Home, you will be transported to the very beginning of the document. Control and End will take you straight to the very end of the document. This can be very useful if you have a very large document and don't want to scroll across it. If you made a mistake and want to undo the previous action, click Ctrl and Z, and as you can see it changes the last bit of formatting that I have done. You can click Ctrl and Z as many times as you need. It will take you back step by step. If you want to save your work, click Ctrl and S, and they will open a save dialog for you. And if you want to open the print window, click Ctrl and P, and you will see the print window appear. Most of these shortcuts work in many programs, not only in Word. For example, you can use them in Excel, in PowerPoint, when writing emails, or working in Paint, or many other programs. If you want to close a document or any window you have open, click Alt and F4. F4 is located on the top row of your keyboard. F5, which is a button next to it, on its own refreshes a window. This is especially useful for internet sites that have not loaded properly or are taking a lot of time to load. Another very useful shortcut is Alt and Tab buttons. They let you switch between open windows. If you hold Alt key down and press Tab, a menu window opens which shows all the windows that you have open at the moment. Without releasing Control key, you can then click Tab button as many times as you need until you get to the needed document. Release Control button and you will be left with the window you have chosen. A couple other useful hotkeys involve the Windows button. The Windows button is the one with the little Microsoft Windows logo on it, normally located in the left bottom corner of your keyboard. Windows button pressed together with a D button sends you straight to the desktop without needing to minimize all the windows you have open. This can save you a lot of time if you have a lot of different documents and windows open. Windows button and pressed together with E button opens my computer screen. I hope you find these shortcuts useful and they help you save time.